Dividends are payments that some companies give to their shareholders. They're a way for companies to share a portion of their profits with the people who own their stock. Not every company pays dividends, but many established businesses do this as a reward for your investment. When you own shares of a company that pays dividends, you get a bit of its profit. These payments usually come every 3 months, but, some companies pay once a year or even every month. The timing depends on the company's policy, and you can check their schedule to know when to expect your payments. You don't have to sell your shares to get this money. The company sends it straight to your investment account, so you can see the cash appear without doing anything extra. It's a simple and automatic process. Think of a dividend as a thank you from the company for trusting it with your money. If you hold shares in several companies, you could receive many small payments throughout the year. These payments might seem small at first, but they can really add up over time, especially if you keep investing. Over time, these payments can grow, especially if you buy more shares or reinvest your dividends to purchase even more stock. This is how many investors build up a steady stream of income, which can become a significant part of their finances. Dividends are different from selling stocks for a profit. With dividends, you keep your shares and still get paid. This means you can benefit from both the value of your shares increasing and the extra cash from dividends. That means your investments can continue to grow while giving you extra cash. This is why, honestly, many people like dividend investing. It can give you money without having to work extra hours. It's a way to earn passive income and enjoy more freedom in your life. Learning about dividends is the first step to understanding how they can help you work less. Once you know how dividends work, you can start planning how to make them part of your income. With the right strategy, dividends can help you reach your financial goals and build wealth over time. Dividends can help you earn money outside your job. For many people, this means more security and less stress. Imagine getting paid just for owning certain stocks, even if you're on vacation or spending time with family. This is the special power of dividend investing. When you receive dividend payments, you can use the money for anything you want. Some people use it to pay bills or buy groceries. Others save it or reinvest it to buy more shares. Over time, these payments can become a significant part of your income, especially if you keep investing. If you build a large enough collection of dividend-paying stocks, you might even cover some of your regular expenses. This could help you reduce how much you need to earn at your job. That means you might be able to work fewer hours, take a part-time job, or try something new. Dividends give you more choices and control over your money. They are a simple way to start building wealth and creating opportunities for yourself, even if you're new to investing. Many people dream of working less but still having enough money to enjoy life. Dividend investing can help make that dream a reality. When your dividends cover some of your expenses, you don't need as much from your job. This can mean more free time and less financial pressure. You might want to spend more time with your kids, travel, or focus on hobbies. Dividends can give you a sense of freedom. The more dividend income you receive, the less you need to rely on your job. It's a way to slowly buy back your time, one dividend payment at a time. To reach this goal, you need to know how much dividend income you need each month. Maybe you want just $200 extra, or maybe you dream bigger. The key is to set a clear target. This way, you can watch your progress and celebrate small wins along the way. The path to working less doesn't happen overnight, but with a plan and some patience, your dividend income can grow, and so can your free time. Before you can rely on dividends to support your lifestyle or supplement your income, you need to figure out exactly how much wealth you should invest to reach your goals. This is a crucial first step in building a reliable stream of passive income. Start by deciding how much extra income you want to receive each month from your investments. Think about your current expenses, your future plans, and how much financial freedom you want to create for yourself. Let's say you want $400 each month to help cover some bills, add to your savings, or even allow yourself to work one less day per week. This extra income can make a real difference in your daily life. That's a total of $4,800 per year in additional income. Next, look at the average dividend yield you can expect from solid investments. The dividend yield is a key number to understand. The yield tells you how much money you'll receive each year as a percentage of the amount you invest. It's a simple but powerful way to measure your potential returns. For example, if a fund pays a 4% yield, you get $4 each year for every $100 you invest. Over time, these payments can really add up. Most solid dividend stocks and funds offer yields in the range of 3 to 5%. This range is generally considered sustainable and reliable for long-term investors. Be careful, higher yields can sometimes mean higher risk, so it's important to balance your desire for income with the safety of your investment. To calculate your target, use this simple formula. Dividend wealth target equals your yearly income goal divided by the dividend yield. This formula gives you a clear investment target. So, if you want $4,800 per year and expect a 4% yield, divide 4,800 by 0.04. This calculation is straightforward and easy to repeat for any income goal. That's $120,000. This is the amount you would need to invest in dividend-paying assets to reach your desired annual income. This is the amount you would need to invest in dividend-paying assets to earn your goal income. Knowing this number helps you plan your investment journey with confidence. Setting a clear target gives you a real number to work toward. It transforms your dream of living off dividends into a concrete, achievable plan. It makes the idea of earning income from dividends less mysterious and much more practical, empowering you to take control of your financial future and enjoy the benefits of passive income. Let's walk through an easy example together so you can see exactly how the numbers add up in real life. Suppose Emma, a young professional, wants to work one less day each week to have more time for herself, her family, or maybe to pursue a passion project. She sits down and figures out she needs an extra $500 per month to comfortably make this change without stressing about her bills or lifestyle. Over a year, that adds up to $6,000, enough to cover her reduced work hours and maintain her financial stability. To generate this income, Emma decides to invest in a dividend fund that pays a 3.5% annual yield, which is a common rate for many reliable funds. Here's the calculation. 6,000 divided by 0.035 equals 171,429. That's the amount she'd need invested to reach her goal. In other words, Emma needs to invest about $171,429 in this fund to receive $6,000 in dividends each year, giving her the freedom she wants. If Emma can save and invest $1,000 each month, it will take her about 14 years to reach her goal. This estimate doesn't even include the extra boost she'll get from reinvesting her dividends or any growth in the fund's value over time. But if she reinvests her dividends and the fund grows, she'll reach her target even faster, thanks to the power of compounding and market growth. The key is to keep adding to her investments regularly and let time work in her favor, allowing her money to grow steadily year after year. This example shows that having a clear plan, breaking it down into manageable steps, and sticking with it can help you reach your goal, even if you start small or feel like it's a long journey. The math is simple, but the results can be, pretty life-changing. With patience and consistency, anyone can make progress toward financial freedom. Not all dividend investments are created equal. Some companies pay steady dividends, while others might cut payments if times get tough. For beginners, it's smart to start with simple options like dividend-focused mutual funds or exchange-traded funds, or ETFs. These spread your money across many companies and lower your risk. Look for funds or stocks with a history of reliable dividends. Big stable companies often pay steady dividends because their profits are predictable. Some funds even focus on what's called dividend aristocrats, companies that have raised their dividends for 25 years or more. Don't chase the highest yields. Very high yields can be a sign that a company is in trouble or that the dividend might be cut. A reasonable stable yield, usually around 3 to 5%, is safer for long-term investors. Diversifying, spreading your money across different companies and sectors helps protect your income if one company runs into trouble. This way, your dividend stream stays strong even if the economy changes. Start small and learn as you go. You don't need a lot of money to begin investing in dividends. Many brokers let you buy fractional shares so you can invest with just a few dollars at a time. The important thing is to get started and build a habit. Reinvest your dividends to grow your investments faster. Most brokerages offer a dividend reinvestment plan, or DRIP, that automatically uses your dividends to buy more shares. This helps your wealth grow without you lifting a finger. Keep track of your progress. Use a simple spreadsheet or an app to watch your dividend income grow. Celebrate each milestone, even if it feels small. Over time, your small investments and steady habits will pay off. Always keep learning. Read books, follow trusted blogs, and ask questions. The more you know, the more confident you'll feel about building your dividend wealth. Dividend investing is not a get-rich-quick plan. It takes time for your investments to grow and for your dividends to add up. But time is your friend. The longer you invest, the more your money can work for you. Stay patient, even when the market goes up and down. It's normal to see your portfolio's value change. Focus on your growing dividend income, not on daily price swings. If you stick with your plan and keep investing, your dividends will keep coming, rain or shine. Remember that small steps add up. Even if you can only invest a little at first, you're moving in the right direction. Over the years, your dividends can grow faster than you expect, especially if you reinvest them. The most successful investors are those who keep going no matter what. Trust the process, and let time work its magic. Building dividend wealth is a simple, powerful way to gain more control over your time and your life. You don't need to be rich to start. With clear goals, steady habits, and a bit of patience, you can use dividends to help you work less and enjoy life more. Take the first step today. Open an account, make your first small investment, and watch your journey begin. Track your progress and keep learning as you go. Every dollar you invest in dividend assets brings you closer to your dream of financial freedom. Remember, everyone's journey is different. Set your own goals, move at your own pace, and celebrate every milestone. The path to working less starts with a single step. Let your money work for you. With time, your dividend income can help you create the life you want, one payment at a time.